Hello guys, and welcome back to another video with Mr. Drifter. I thought, because I'm bored at the minute, and I did try to upload a video, was it yesterday, maybe, if not the day before, but it didn't work, so I thought I'd do a video on this. It's a mini fridge. I got it as a present, like an early Christmas present, so I thought, why not put it on my YouTube channel, because I haven't uploaded in a few days and I am bored at the same time, so might as well. I've already opened this bit, actually open this and set it up. That's what I'm going to be doing a video on later. I might do it later today. If not, I'll do it after Christmas. But where I got it? I haven't done an unboxing video before. This is my first unboxing, so doing this one hard is very tricky. Aha, there we go. We are in. So that must be what goes into the wall and into the back of the fridge, I'm guessing. So here it is, guys. There you go. Oh, and there's Coke inside. And whatever the hell this is. So that's what goes in a car or like a van if say you use this for work. I need that. I'm gonna put the cans of Coke to the side for now while I'm working. Well, I'll just see where I set this up. I've got 6 cans of Coke there. We'll be drinking them definitely. For some reason, if I just so you can see that a little bit. There you can see there the duct tape. Why there's duct tape there, I do not know. So in the back that I'm going to try and get off. So if I... Well, this... My grandma has just put that on to strengthen it, because it only clips in at the back. So I'm going to close this up. I will definitely be using this. I'm very happy with this. I know when I've been putting my Christmas presents under my tree, like off my family and that, there's a lot of Lego that I have realised that's there. And some of them it feels like quite a big set. So I'm guessing I'm getting some good Lego sets. I'll just try and get this in, guys. That is the right one, isn't it? Two seconds, guys. I am so stupid. I tried to put this in the plug socket. I have had to disconnect my Xbox One, unfortunately, but it doesn't really matter. And I was trying to get this thing in, and it won't go in. And then I pulled it back out, and then I was like, I'll take that off because I don't like it. And then I saw this, a cover. That might explain why it didn't go in. So this should come straight off like that. And now I can take the paper off. Can you hear that? There's a little leak. Something like something inside. Okay, guys, we have done it. I was gonna record, like, it actually turn on, but turn on myself because when I disconnect my Xbox, it was already turned on by the switch. Can't always leave it on at the switch, but I just turned the actual console itself off. So then this started up straight away. But yeah, you might be able to hear that. Hopefully you can. I didn't really get this. This wasn't really a present, but these are my dad's. This is the first Star Wars annual, and this is the second one. And these are super old. They are. I do really like these. I might read them. I don't know. Apparently they're worth some money. I don't know. If you guys do know, please let me know, because I might make myself a bit of cash. I mean, I have got 80 quid right there, like. Actually, no, sorry. In £5 notes, so that there is 80 quid, and then I've got 30 quid behind it. So I've got like 110. Plus, and that's not including the coins. So I'll put like 120 by the time I count the coins up as well. But yeah, this was just a really quick video. Don't really know why I made this video, but like I say, later on I will be doing a review on that, which is it's my custom truck. So I'll like the video, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.